Hey guys, welcome back. I'm making another video and it's on a game called, I honestly forgot what it was called.
This is more eerier than I expected.
I think this is an insane map. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, it's this way? It's back this way? Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everybody went the wrong way. I think it's called something Flood 2. It is a collab with, it had a collab with Forsaken probably like a couple months ago. This game is how you get the blue Shedletsky skin that you guys might have seen, and also like the cool something 1x skin. Like that looks like the M4 skin, I think. Yeah, it looks like the green milestone skin for 1x, not Legacy, the normal one. That's how you get that skin in this game, and you also get the blue Shedletsky skin that has like the blue shaggy hair and that like blue hat. That's how you get it in this game. I forgot what it was called, so if I had my phone I could look, but I just want to get the blue Shedletsky skin. Current boost have guaranteed max. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna turn that up to max. Oh my god, this. Oh, okay. Where do I go? I don't know where to go. I didn't know where to go. Dude, everyone's boosting insane chance. And this is one of the maps that you need to get the cool something skin, I mean, not kid. Cool players left at insanity. They keep boosting insanity level. Oh my god, I can't speak. Perform 1 rescue, escape 4 maps in a row, escape 1 first, starting with 6+ players. And then I get, yeah, but like, shouldn't there be like a quest thing that you could like just naturally see? Goal, badge, not last game. Highlights, wait, highlights. Crazy plus. Okay, that must be the one below insanity.
Oh, this is the worst map ever. Why would you guys vote this horrifying of a nightmare?
I'm very slow on this. Got 300 air. Are we out?
Something like that. It's not. It doesn't feel natural. It doesn't look.
Oh, we escaped? Oh, I escaped. Let's go.
It's incrementally big and then it's incrementally small. So that's not.
1 minute though.
That's not. That looks very unnatural.
No, not cryptic
there's
fallen.
also ones that are not at the bottom. So that's just very interesting.
Oh my god,
These
this
icicles are
map.
not icicles. These are fake and evil icicles. These are icicles that will kill you when you touch
Why is every map on insanity? When I played this earlier, we all...
it. Nice.
Oh my... Okay. I'm following everybody. Oh my goodness. No, bro. That map sucked. Nearly everybody died. They're all boosting insanity level. This sucks. I might just have to join a different server. Goals, badges. I'm literally doing ones on insanity.
Map is surely interesting.
This is on hard for crazy blocks.
Every map by Crazy Blocks is expired.
Crazy block. Oh, that's what the skin is called. Okay.
Exceeding loading limit. Da ha 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 ha. Hey guys, did you know there's gonna be a slide?
Oh my god. Brick. I'm done here. Oh my. Oh, I made it. Oh my god, I made it. I made it. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, this one as well. This is really good. This is really good. This is just. Oh jeez.
go? I'm so confused. Wait, I want to know what maps. Hold on. What maps do I need to do? Okay, so I did this. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, this is the one that we were doing. Despotic Ruins. This is the one. This is one of them. The Flood Pass. Okay. 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 That's one of the ones I needed to do. Hold on. Do I have the skin or? Hold on. This isn't supposed to be for in the video, but I want to see something. Do I like have the skin or? I'm confused. Do I have the skin? No, I don't. Okay, so I'm confused. Do you have to like finish all the maps or something? I mean, I didn't want to be in that map anyways. I didn't want to be in that one because I keep doing insanity. Oh, gee. Oh, it's okay. It's on normal, I think. But bro, they kept doing it on like insanity, and it was so unfortunate. How much money do I even have? I don't know if that said crazy blocks or not. Oh. Oh my god. Guess I just go right here. Oh, I pressed the button. That's good. Assuming it is flooding. Oh my. Oh wait, do I have to go in this door? Oh my god, that was to press a button. Go up. Go up. Get up. Oh. No! I was gripping my mouse so hard. Not to be weird or anything, but bro, this game is so hard. Alright, well, that's the end of today's video. It is currently 7 in the morning. But actually, I'll end off the video after this one. I am in a call with Keto, but he is asleep. So if you guys hear him talking, that's just because of why. Press the dang button! Press the... Jesus. My Lord and Savior, but still. And I got... Yeah, no. Wait, do we gotta... Oh, okay, over here. Oh, that was easy. Okay, Lost Woods. I guess that one. 25. Hell no. Oh, this is for crazy blocks? Okay. I'm following this person. Oh my god, it opened after I left it. Gotta make sure I don't fall. Oh yeah, I set out after that one, but I guess after this one. Oh! My. The water is definitely flooding, okay. Well, that's the entirety of the game, but like, you get my point. I went this way for no reason. I thought this was the direction. I just got scared. Nope. Oh my god, let's go. Oh, new time. Minute 18. This one. I don't have enough coins. That's... Oh. Might as well just make the video 20 minutes. It's okay, I guess. The Doge, though? Okay. I guess so. Okay. Alright, there we go. 2, 1. Come on, give me that button. I didn't get it. Oh. Whatever that aura is, I like it. That like diamond aura. Oh my. No. Whew, there we go. Oh, that's tragic. Someone... Bruh, nobody hit the button. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys are having a lovely day or night wherever you are, where you are, and just know God blesses you and He loves you.